So the file 1 contains this data wherein we have a root element, and inside that we have items. Okay, and in another file we have this root element and we have the item in it. Now if you see, it is kind of like similar structure we have which we want to combine. Now let's write a code that will merge these two files. So in order to do that, we have to follow these 5 steps. So the first step is to import the ElementTree module from the XML package. For that we have to just use import statement followed by the name of the module, and we have used as et because we don't want to use the full name while calling the method which are available in this module. So in order to do that, we can use a shortcut. It's not necessary that you have to use et over, you can use any other names over here. Now the next step is we need to pass both this file because we want to merge that, right? So for that we have to use et.pass method, and as an argument we will pass a name of the file. Since we want to pass both the files, so we have to create two variable, and we have to pass that data and store it in this two variable. Once we do that, we have to get the root element from the both XML file. So for that, what we can do, we can use the tree.getRoot method. By doing this, we will get root of this 2 XML file. Once we get that, the next step is to append root 2 to the root 1. Now this will do the merging part, and this will, what will do, it will take this and will add it below this. And now the next thing, or the last thing that we have to do, we have to write the data into the merge.xml file. Now if you run this code, you will see that there is a one file which is being created, and if you see the content of it, we are getting the content that are present in file 1 and file 2.